Yeah, evacuate the heat.
Hey, look, there's a bear under the Ford.
What?
There's a bear under the Ford. Alright guys, we're back with James's Delta 88. I'm back here on this rear hard line to the soft line, whatever you want to call it, the brake hose. And as you can see, with a little bit of vice grips and cranking it, a little bit of vice grips and cranking it, I've gotten it free, and it's actually
crank your hog?
Yeah.
Nice.
And it's actually out, so I just gotta pop the clip so I can pull the actual.
You crank the hog, now you gotta pop the clip.
I hate you.
We know.
But with a little bit of convincing from Seafoam and that deep creep and stuff, you know,
babe.
we got her out. And then after that, up here, let me bring my light. Somewhere. Well, that's where it's gonna start. Obviously there. And then up in here, behind this little plastic, is the other line that I gotta probably put vice grips on and crank on it. So hopefully I can get that one out. This one I'm not too sure about. That one's definitely gonna take quite a bit of time. Very rusted in there, and that nut is like basically just a circle. There's no hex left of any kind, so fun. Somewhere up in there. I'll probably go through the fender. But yeah, I just gotta pull this one out, put the new one in, and then we're all good. So we'll see you later. Alright guys, you can see my setup going over here. So I cut the rest of that hose completely, so I just had the fitting, because then I could actually put a 5/8 socket on it, so I can get like as much leverage as possible. And then down in here, I pulled the clip out that retains that brake hose, so I could just pull everything through the hole, so I can get vice grips fully on that fitting. And as you can see, it's coming out after a lot of effort. It definitely was not easy. There we go. And then I gotta pop this off. I had this. I was so cranked on here. I was cranking it. I mean, there's a little bit of a hex left. But that is completely just rounded. But good news is we got it. So that's one step closer. Alright guys, so I finally got all this out. I showed you guys the piece that I took out. Just put the socket on that end. And I'm in here. Hold on, let me put you guys down for a second.
Wow, that's a lot of fucking go out there.
And try.
Huh?
I'm doing a video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Daddy.
Did I interrupt your video?
Yeah.
Good.
When I try to put, it's too big to go on the slot. So I don't think I had that issue on the other side, so I'm gonna take a look real quick.
I'm hoping and praying.
Nope. It's right in between.
And you break them clean? Hey, Xander.
Yeah.
I'm spraying in a hole.
These calipers are a little different. The other one wasn't the same style.
Yeah, they're probably a later one, but they all interchange.
No, like each caliper, they're different.
Yeah, because they probably originally didn't come on the same car. You know what I mean?
Well, whatever the difference is, it's giving us an issue with the brake hose.
Cool.
I'll show you. Alright guys, so I'm trying to get this all back together, new brake hose. We are just gonna route this, like, just to the side. But I'm currently trying to get this end in. It's in. It's not pretty by any means, as you can see. But I just put vice grips on that, and then I spun this on and then tightened it there with the 5/8. But now, I'm trying, because I'm doing this kind of backwards. Normally you put that in, then you throw the clip on, and then you tighten it from the nut on the brake line. But obviously, because the nut is all stripped, we can't do that. So now, I'm trying to shove this back in there, and then put the clip on the other side. But I'm having a little bit of a struggle with that. So that's what I've been working on over there. And then when I'm done at that, I'm going to get this all tight, throw the wheel on, and make sure, well, after I clean this rotor, because this rotor is disgusting. Throw the wheel on, make sure that this clears the wheel going to the side so it's not revving, and hopefully the front end will be completely done in terms of brakes. So yeah,